Hi children, I welcome you for the next biology class. Shall we start this class with quiz? Okay, I will ask you some basic questions based on yesterday's class. You have to state that is true or false. First question, throwing the garbage on road. Second question, green color dustbin is for non-biodegradable waste. Third question, plastics are easily decomposed by microbes. Obviously, all these three questions answer also false. Okay, you can appreciate by yourself. The next one is common diseases in plants by microbes. Disease causing microbes are called pathogens. Disease causing microbes are called pathogens. These are causing diseases in human, animals, and also plants. Here, the first picture shows the disease is citrus canker. It affects any kind of plant and it is caused by bacteria and it is spread through air. It affects the fruit and leaf part of the plant. The second disease is rust of wheat. It affects the wheat plant and it is caused by fungi. It is spread through air or seeds. It affects the leaf part of the plant. The third disease is yellow vein mosaic. Affects the bindi plant. Bindi is the Hindi word and which means lady's finger. It is caused by virus and it is spread through insect. Okay. So the first picture is citrus canker. It affects any kind of the plant and it is caused by bacteria and it is spread through air and it is affecting the leaf and the fruit part of the plant. The second picture is rust of wheat. It affects the wheat plant and it is caused by fungi. It is spread through air or seeds. It affects the leaf part. Okay. And the third picture is yellow vein mosaic. It affects the bindi. Bindi is nothing but lady's finger and it is caused by virus and it is spread through insects. Understood? So, easy natural way to prevent these diseases is to spray grey ash to the plants. Okay. Grey ash means I think you know. So, if even in your home, if your mother or your grandmother, if they have plants, means if you have plants at your home, your mother or your grandmother will spray the grey ash to the plants in order to not to get diseases. Next, why do we need to preserve food? We need to preserve food because microorganisms that grow on food can sometimes produce toxic substances which are poisonous to us. Okay, I'll repeat, we need to preserve food because microorganisms that grow on food can sometimes produce toxic substances which are poisonous to us. Okay, so what will happen? Some chemical reaction forms on food. It will give very bad smell. If we take this spoiled food, we may fall sick and we can't able to take this food also. So what we must do? We must preserve it and also we must cover the food. What will happen when we not preserve food? If we not preserve food properly, then food spoilage will occur. Food spoilage means food become waste. Food become waste and cannot eat further. What will happen when in the condition of food spoilage? In this condition, bacteria begin to grow. Okay, bacteria, virus won't form. Bacteria only form. So bacteria begin to grow and multiply in a double, become double. Okay, so bacteria will grow and multiply inside the spoiled food. Bacteria can be doubled in every 2 minutes. Okay, bacteria can be doubled in every 2 minutes. This is a work of harmful microorganisms. So we must avoid eating spoiled food and we should not allow the food to be become spoiled. If we consume this, we may fall sick and also it lead to headache, vomiting and also diarrhea. Now this is a session for recap. In this class, we discussed about disease causing microbes. Why do we preserve food? What will happen if we not preserve food? What leads to food poisoning? So what you must do if you take any food items or drinking water from the kitchen means you must cover it properly in order not to get spoiled. I hope you understood this class well. Thank you children. Book reading from today's class, Microorganisms, Friend and Foe, Class Lecture 3. Common diseases and the microorganisms that cause them. Bacteria, tuberculosis, cholera, typhoid. virus, measles, chickenpox, polio, hepatitis A, protozoa, malaria. Diseases caused by microorganisms in animals. Anthrax, a dangerous disease that affects human and cattle, is caused by a bacterium called Bacillus anthracis. Bacillus anthracis was first discovered by Robert Koch in 1876. Foot and mouth disease in cattle. It is caused by a virus, foot and mouth disease virus or picorna virus. Diseases caused by microorganisms in plants. Microorganisms can cause diseases in plants and reduce crop yield. Some of the plants in which they cause diseases are common diseases in plants caused by microbes. Citrus canker is caused by bacteria and spread through air. Rust of wheat is caused by fungi and spread through air or seeds. Yellow vein mosaic of okra, bindi. Bindi is the Hindi word and lady's finger is the correct English word for that, okay. So lady's finger plant, So yellow vein mosaic of okra is caused by virus and spread through insects. The plants can be protected by using chemicals that kill these microbes. Food preservation. Why do we need to preserve food? We need to preserve food because microorganisms that grow on food can sometimes produce toxic substances which are poisonous to us. If we consume this spoiled food, we can become seriously ill or die. Hence, we need to preserve food from being spoiled. Okay, children? I hope you understood this book reading session. Thank you, da. Microorganisms, friend and foe. Based on worksheet is based on today's class. Okay. What is food spoilage? Food spoilage is when dash has gone dash and is no longer dash to eat. So 3 dashes are there, 3 options are there. You have to find out the correct answer to complete the meaning of the sentence. Okay. And the second question, what causes food spoilage? Food spoilage occurs when dash begin to dash and multiply. Bacteria can dash every 2 dash. Okay. So 4 dashes are there, 4 options are there. You have to choose the correct one in order to complete the meaningful sentence. Third question, what causes if you eat spoil food? So you might become dash and get food poisoning. You may have dash diarrhea, stomachache. You could feel unwell for dash. Okay. So 3 dashes are there, 3 options are given. You have to match it with the correct option to complete the meaningful sentence. And next one, how can you prevent food spoilage? Drag and drop the food to where each item should be stored in the fridge. So milk, vegetables, butter, bottle, ice cube. Okay. So here arrow marks are there. So in which place the above things must be kept. Okay. So think and write, children. It is very easy question only. The next one is home test question. Why do we need to preserve food? So complete it soon and submit to your class teacher. Thank you, children.